In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through time on your trading charts with ease, using both the toolbar icons and keyboard shortcuts. Whether you're a beginner or a more experienced trader, mastering these tools can significantly enhance your chart analysis efficiency. Let's dive right in with how to use the toolbar icons to open a chart for your desired financial instrument. Imagine you're sitting in front of your trading platform, and that chart is your gateway to financial analysis. To explore different moments in time on this chart, you'll need to locate the calendar icon in the top toolbar. It might be nestled among a row of icons representing various tools and functions, so keep an eye out for the one that resembles a small calendar. Once you've found it, click on the calendar icon. This opens up the Date Navigation tool, a nifty instrument that allows you to pinpoint a specific date and time you want to inspect. Maybe you're curious about the market behavior on a particular day, or perhaps you want to revisit a date when you made a memorable trade. Whatever the reason, selecting that exact date and time is as simple as a few clicks. After selecting your desired date, look for the Go To button. Clicking this will seamlessly transport your chart view to reflect the selected time, bringing the historical market data into focus. Now, let's explore an alternative method using keyboard shortcuts, which can be particularly useful for those who prefer quick hands-on maneuvers. By pressing Alt plus G on a Windows system or Option plus G on a Mac, you'll swiftly open up the date input field. This shortcut is like a secret handshake for efficient chart navigation. In the input box that appears, you'll want to type the desired date. Let's say something like June 10th. This precise input serves as a beacon, directing your chart to that point in time. A quick click on the Go To button will then jump the chart to your specified date. TradingView, a popular tool among traders, continually updates its features to offer an enhanced user experience. In late 2021, TradingView introduced improved date navigation capabilities. Notably, in September, they unveiled a new custom date range functionality. This was a game changer, enabling users not just to move to a specific date, but to define a custom date range for viewing their charts. So whether you want to study trends over a week or analyze patterns across several months, this feature has you covered. To access this, you'll still start with the Go To button. Post-update, this button is your gateway, not just to single dates, but to a custom range tab as well. Within this tab, you can set the start and end dates, tailoring your chart view to your specific analytical needs. And that wraps up our tutorial on navigating through your trading charts using both toolbar icons and keyboard shortcuts. Practicing with these tools will make your analysis smoother and more intuitive, saving you time and allowing you to focus on what truly matters, making informed trading decisions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.